Dive into the world of AI with Tekh Bee. Ever wondered how AI is transforming the world right now? Tekh Bee is your go-to channel for all things artificial intelligence. From beginners to seasoned professionals, we've crafted content that's engaging, insightful, and perfect for everyone passionate about AI. Get ready to uncover cutting-edge technologies and ideas shaping AI's future. Whether it's machine learning tutorials, deep dives into data science, or thought-provoking ethical discussions, we ensure you'll stay ahead of the game with concise, expert-backed resources. Discover how AI impacts everyday life and commercial industries. We showcase real-world examples, practical demos, and even toy inventions to make complex concepts approachable. Let's bridge the gap between tech and reality together. Be part of Tekh Bee's vibrant community where challenges ignite curiosity and innovation. Like, share, and subscribe to unlock a stream of stimulating ideas and conversations. Hit the notification bell and start your journey in the world of AI today.